In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix turn off USB storage problem in WhatsApp. The turn off USB storage problem in WhatsApp usually shows up on Android devices when the phone's internal storage or SD card is mounted as USB storage, preventing WhatsApp from reading or writing files. This is common when trying to send or download media, and instead of working normally, WhatsApp displays an error asking you to turn off USB storage. Fortunately, the fix is simple. The first thing to do is disconnect your phone from the computer if it's plugged in, because when Android switches to USB storage mode, apps like WhatsApp can't access the files. Once disconnected, check your notification panel for any active USB storage connected or file transfer status. Switch it to charge only or no data transfer mode. After that, reopen WhatsApp and try sending or downloading the file again. If the problem persists even when your phone isn't connected to a computer, it could be a system glitch or an issue with the SD card. Restart your phone to refresh the storage system. And if you're using an external SD card, make sure it's properly inserted and not corrupted. Going into settings, storage and ensuring the SD card is mounted correctly often fixes it. In some cases, clearing WhatsApp's cache can also resolve lingering errors. Do that by opening Settings app. In here, scroll down to App Management and click on it. Now, press on App Settings. Go ahead and search for WhatsApp. Click on it and click on Clear Cache in here. A helpful tip is to always keep WhatsApp updated, since older versions sometimes conflict with newer Android storage permissions. Also, avoid running WhatsApp while your phone is in USB storage mode, because Android treats the SD card as unavailable for apps when mounted to a computer. If you frequently back up or transfer files with USB, finish the transfer, eject safely, then reopen WhatsApp to prevent the issue from reoccurring. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.